how to be strong, Pastor?
Spiritual strength is eating His words, living His words. Man shall not live by bread alone, but by the word that proceeds out of the mouth of God. So, how to be strong? You don't remain in infancy. You grow in the knowledge of the Son of God until we all come into the unity of the faith of the knowledge of the Son of God. Kaya yun ang tinuturo ko, yung spiritual law. Kaya yung tanong niya, how to be strong? Umalis ka sa pagiging bata, sa utak, sa pag-iisip. Kailangan i-absorb mo yung knowledge. Di ba yung A to Z of salvation? Pumunta ka doon sa Son Accountable. When will you go through the Son Accountable? When you have observed and absorbed all the teachings of the appointed Son, which are really the teachings of Jesus Christ embodied in me, and then go to that level where you don't backslide anymore, where you have decided to follow Him no matter what. Decision natin eh. You decide to become Son Accountable. Ayaw ko na yung infancy. Ayaw ko na yung tinuturuan ako. Kasi alam ko na. Kailangan alam mo lahat. Alam mo lahat ang kalooban ng Ama. You have to defend it by yourself. You have to defend it, you have to live by it, and then you have to protect it. Pagka maasahan ka na doon, itataas ka na ng Ama to the Son placement. This is my beloved son or daughter in whom I am well pleased. Dili na masulti sa man sa imo, hindi masabi ng Ama yan sa iyo. Kung alam niya, hindi ka pa naka-overcome sa apoy, mababackslide ka pa rin. That's why when He gave me the opportunity to write anyone I want in the book of life, sabi ko, sino ang pwede kong isulat? Walang isa sa mga kasama ko. Ako lang ang pwede kong isulat. So, I did not write anyone. Sabi ko naman, sino isusulat ko? Baka isulat ko ito, baka mabackslide, blah blah blah. Baka mag-iba yung takbo. So, through the evolution of the revelation na binigay sa akin, ngayon alam ko na kung sino isusulat doon. O, ikaw mismo alam mo na pagka doon ka na sa Son placement, tulad ko, hindi na mabackslide. Kahit anong gawin mo, pinako ka na sa cross, masakit man, pero you died willingly to obey the Father's will no matter what, like the Almighty Father in His being the begotten Son. So you go through that process of Calvary. Then, hindi ka na pwedeng matinag pa ng persecution. Wala na ba'y makapaluyan mo? Wala nang makapagpahina sa iyo. You come to that level eh. Hindi mo yan pinipilit ang sarili mo. You just come to that level through the absorption of the Word of God in you. You are strong through the Word that I have spoken unto you.